Cutting across to Bengaluru, Karnataka's RCB Stampede case. Big action that's come in on the Chinnaswamy Stampede case that's left 11 RCB fans dead. The Karnataka cabinet has cracked a whip ordering criminal cases against top officials of the RCB management as well as the Cricket Association, the Karnataka State Cricket Association, KSCA, and DNA Entertainment Networks, the event managers of that event. Among those who now face criminal prosecution, particularly naming them, are Raghuram Bhatt, president of the KSCA, A. Shankar, former secretary, Jairam, former treasurer, Rajesh Menon, VP RCB, Venkat Vardhan, MD of DNA Networks, and Sunil Mathur, VP of DNA Networks. These are people who will be facing prosecution as per the D'Cunha report. Now this, of course, all these allegations comes as part of Justice Michael D'Cunha's commission report that's been tabled before the cabinet, which held RCB and DNA squarely responsible, not just RCB. The report holds RCB, KSCA and DNA Networks responsible for negligence and mismanagement on that day of Stampede. Of course, the buck doesn't stop there. The cabinet has now also cleared departmental inquiry against several senior police officers, including Dayanand, former police commissioner of Bengaluru, IPS officers Vikas Kumar and Shekhar, ACP Balakrishna and Inspector Girish from Cubbon Park Division. The commission also blames the police for lapses in crowd control, poor coordination and failure to act despite multiple red flags. Of course, DNA Entertainment Networks there, meanwhile, has gone legal. They've challenged this report in the Karnataka High Court. They call this absolutely biased, one-sided, say that it was, in fact, the report was leaked to the media and they never got a fair opportunity to carry out their argument. On the political front, BJP MLA Arvind Bellad has accused the Congress government of shielding itself. In fact, he says the cabinet is scapegoating the police officers and the event managers, while those in power who actively attended the event and endorsed it remain untouched. And that's really the irony. In fact, no minister has taken moral or political responsibility for a tragedy that unfolded right under their nose at an event they themselves were very much part of. Images that you're seeing on our screens, this was not it. Even in Chinnaswamy, where the stampede happened right outside, DK Shivkumar was there. So 11 young fans died, and yet not a single member within the government is willing to say that we failed.